To do this strap, this is how it's in the back. I'm going to use macrame yarn, 100% cotton macrame yarn, and this is 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. We are going to do 3 chains. One, 2, 3. You will only do 3 chains. Now you are going to skip this chain, 1 chain, as you are going to do single crochet. This is very easy. So basically you are going to do 2 single crochet in 3 chains. So skip 1 chain and 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet. That's it for the first row. Now just turn this. Now you can see the 2 single crochet created 2 chains here. So now we are not doing, when we do single crochet we always put chain 1 and turn around. You're not going to put a chain 1, just turn around. You will see 2 chains. Now just pull through the yarn from the first chain and single crochet again and pull. This is the second chain. Pull through the yarn from the second chain and single crochet. Make sure you pull this strap a little bit looser so you can pull through easily. So second row is done. So now you created 2 more stitches, 2 more chains. Turn around, no chain 1, just turn around. Now you can see 2 chains, again 2 single crochets. Pull the yarn through, pull it looser, pull through, single crochet. Very easy. And the second chain, pull through, 2 chains. That's it. Third row is done. Turn around. You can see 2 chains. Pull through. And pull through. So that's about it. It's very simple and easy. You are basically doing single crochets as long as you want. This is the strap I made for one of my crossbody bag, which is very durable and strong. I really like this strap. So it will be like that. You can use it in big macrame cord. If you use a big macrame cord, use a suitable crochet hook, a little bit bigger, like 4 millimeter or 5 millimeter, suitable for that. And it's very easy. So continue this single crochet, 2 single crochets without chain 1. You always turn around, and do this as long as you want for your back strap. Once you finish, you need to stitch it in the side like that. Maybe you can leave a long tail so it's easy for you to stitch around in both sides. Now turn around. Make sure to pull it loose.